Calculating the area of your wardrobe is an essential step in organizing clothes and maximizing the space in your room. By accurately determining wardrobe area, you will be able to identify the best ways to store your clothes and accessories, ensuring that every inch of available space. Using a measuring tape to measure height of your wardrobe from top to bottom. Make sure to measure the complete height. Include additional compartments or shelves. Measure the width of your wardrobe from one side to the other. If your wardrobe has doors, include width of each door in measurement. Measure the depth of your wardrobe from the front to the back. This measurement will help you determine how much space you have for clothes to hang or to place shelves. Once you have obtained the height, width and depth measurements, multiply all three numbers together. The resulting number will give you the total area of your wardrobe in cubic units. If wardrobe has drawers or compartments, calculate dimensions of spaces separately and add them to the total area. This will give you a more accurate representation of available storage space. By following these steps, you will have a precise understanding of your wardrobe area, enable you to plan and organize your clothes more effectively, maximize the available space. Follow us and get more details.